Calvin, is that more comfortable on your neck? He's not listening to me because he's totally into his wet food. Today I'm going to be looking at these decorative cat bowls. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box, demoing them for you, and giving you my honest opinion. These are raised because we have an elderly cat and he has a problem getting into, you know, lower spaces. So I'm super excited about these. The seller did send them to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. So let's open the box. These are nicely packaged with the foam I like, not styrofoam. This foam does not, oh, they're one piece. Oh, I was thinking that these were not one piece. They're one piece. Well, these are really nice. I was expecting them to be, I was expecting the bowl to sit on top of like a base, but I actually like this a lot better. They're really, really, really nice. And they're nice and weighty because they're ceramic. The patterns are also gorgeous. Like, check out the detail on this one. The pattern is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we have an automatic feeder for his dry food, but I'm going to use these for water and wet food. So I'm going to put some water in this one. Don't tell me how bougie your cat is because I give this one bottled water. No, not really all the time, just sometimes. Actually, look, see, there's like weird stuff on top of it because I forgot to wash these first. We need to wash them first. Okay, so now that I've washed them, I'm going to try this again and hope that there's no like floaties on top. And there are no floaties on top this time, so make sure that you wash these before you use them. He's so elderly, he has stairs. Okay, wait, no, you can't eat it out of the can. Hold on. Look, it's gonna go right there. Oh, is it good? Yeah, I think you like it, huh? How do you get a cat to do a demo video? You feed it wet food because I don't know why he's taking it out of the bowl and eating it on the counter, but we're, you know,